The Samsung Galaxy A52 has a seamless design with sleek curves and it is IP67 rated. That makes it water and dust resistant. It is available in black, blue, violet and white colors. The phone is available in two variants, 6GB RAM plus 128GB internal memory and 8GB RAM plus 128GB internal memory. The memory is expandable up to 1TB in both the variants. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Samsung Galaxy A52 has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity O display for an immersive viewing experience. With 1080 x 2400 pixels resolution, 407 ppi and 16 million colors, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. The Galaxy A52 comes with a 64-megapixel quad-camera setup with optical image stabilization for sharp and steady images. It also features a 20-megapixel front camera. Powered by Android 11 v11.0 operating system with SDM720G octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. Samsung Galaxy A52 comes with a 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery with 25-watt fast charging. The box includes handset, ejection pin, manual, data cable and travel adapter. This product comes with standard brand warranty.